Right.
Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, written on behalf of Mr. Aaron Reich. Go ahead and state your name, please.
To ensure justice is made, I will make 5 brief statements and then state my name. Dana from the Forensic Center had first met me on the 17th of July, 2024, 8 days ago. Yet, several months prior, she submitted a report in my case without having known me at all. She didn't even know me. That was several months ago. I just seen it 8 days ago. The total time I'd ever spent at the Forensic Center is about an hour. The court claims that I'm incompetent, yet neither the Forensic Center nor anyone else has provided me with any help. Why then is my sentencing being delayed for 6 months as of now? No attorney, such as Mr. Brown, has ever met or spoken to me about the details of my case. None. So how is he qualified to represent me, with all due respect to him? My case is full of flaws and inaccuracies. Under such conditions, no judge, even the most qualified one, can reach at the truth. And the last one, someone with advanced spiritual abilities is controlling the minds of everyone I come into contact with. It is hard and almost impossible to believe, but that is the truth. With that, I'm complete, and my name is Amit Ehrenreich.
I don't live here now.
Can I address one thing? He said,
Yes.
We haven't talked to him. Usually when we have clients who are being referred for competency, it's a policy that we don't go and discuss the case with them until they have been shown to be competent.
But even prior to that, you have never met with me. You have never spoken to me. I have never seen you. How in the world are you qualified, with all due respect, to represent me? Had you known me, had you known the details of my case, had you listened to me, yes, you would have been a qualified lawyer. But otherwise, how can you represent me?
Oh,
even before
he's very qualified. Are you done? That was a question. Are you done now?
I'm willing to.
Are you done? I have a report. There is no other additional evidence from either side.
None, Your Honor.
This report indicates that in the opinion of the examiner that this individual remains incompetent to stand trial. In this matter, there being no other evidence to the contrary, defendant is at this point deemed incompetent. I'll set a review hearing for.
This is a critical legal moment. Once the forensic examiner concludes a defendant is incompetent to stand trial and there's no evidence to challenge that finding, the judge is legally required to pause the criminal proceedings. It's not about guilt or innocence anymore. It's about whether the defendant can meaningfully participate in their own defense.
October 24, 2024, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Thank you.
How in the
You
world
can leave
change?
my courtroom now. Go with the deputies. Thank you. Yeah, go ahead. Just go with them, please. Thank you. Is that the end of that block? Thank goodness. Court stands in recess. Court does call the case, People versus Robert. Is it Droszewski?
On behalf of the people.
Written on behalf of Mr. Droszewski. Your name for the record.
Droszewski Robert, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing well. Yourself?
Not well, sir.
This is another matter in which we do not yet have an updated report.
Do not yet have the report, you mean?
Why am I being denied an attorney? Why is an attorney coming to see me?
Hold on.
Your Honor.
Hold on a second.
Yes, please. Yes, sir.
So
Sorry.
we're looking,
Apologies.
you're looking for a report on this case.
Yes.
And we don't have it yet. Did both cases get referred over or just one?
I see that the 1052 is competency. The 1188 This appears to be a bond violation.
Got it. Okay, so because that one's set for just a straight PCC, isn't it?
That is correct. Your Honor. 113 was just.
All right. We haven't heard anything from,
I have not.
all right, what was our dates?
I've told them that I'm willing to cooperate.
All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. September 26, 2024 at 9 a.m. I will move the date up. To keep them together, I would also set this case for PCC that date, but move it up, or what do you want me to do on that?
So he has not even yet been spoken to by CMH. So
Pardon?
he's not even had the interview yet with CMH. So I'm going to keep that in mind.
Okay.
Your Honor, good morning,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
I've been
sir.
just so you know, I've been requesting.
This conversation highlights a common misconception. A competency evaluation isn't meant to punish a defendant. It's designed to protect their constitutional rights. But after months of waiting with little communication, it's easy to understand why frustration starts boiling over. What would you do in this situation?
Speak with someone, and I've sent numerous letters. I've called the public defender's office to talk to an attorney about questions I have relating to this competency, why it was even ordered in the first place. I've requested copies of the motions as to why I was even sent a motion to have me for a competency, and no one's answering me, no one's talking to me. And personally, I don't even believe that I should be going to forensics, sir. I mean, if there's a hearing that we can have, that a lawyer can talk to me. I've been trying to talk to a lawyer for 5 months now, and I've been rejected every time. I've been laughed at in my face by other attorneys when they've seen me in the courtroom about this violation for talking to my girl on the phone. They literally laughed in my face when I asked them questions. The lawyer who asked me, who put in the motion for competency, when I asked him about evidence in the case, his exact words to me, Your Honor, were, quote, "I am not going to do anything you ask me to do," unquote. And I had some choice words for him. We came into the court. He filed a motion for competency against me. Why am I sitting here 5 months
It's
later?
not, sir.
I mean, I understand, Your Honor.
I was not part of the conversation, but I would say that, first of all, a competency is not filed against you.
I understand that, sir.
Okay, so
But why am I being denied an opportunity to speak to a lawyer about the competency issue and about the motion in the first place? They're telling me that they can't even talk to me.
I don't think that they would have said that.
Your Honor,
They
I've called the
can't.
public defense,
Okay.
pardon my interruption.
Go ahead. What were you gonna say?
I'm sorry, sir.
What were you gonna say? Go ahead.
I've called the public defender's office 3 times. They've told me that no lawyer will talk to me. I've sent 4 or 5 letters to the public defender's office requesting to talk to an attorney specifically about this competency motion and examination that I had questions, and no one responds to me.
Okay, so Mr. Brown, I'm gonna set these dates. You'll make sure that somebody
make
gets
sure
down
that-
and talks to him about this.
Absolutely.
So he has an understanding as to why it's proceeding in that way.
Absolutely. We will make
All
sure
right.
there's communication.
So I'm setting it for the 26th. And then September 26th, 9 a.m. That date, so that you understand, sir, if we get a report, like if we talk to you, we get a report, that date gets moved up. So things will happen a lot faster once that occurs. Got
I
it?
appreciate you, Your Honor, and I'm not trying to be difficult. I've
No,
been laying up here for 5 months and I'm
sir,
frustrated.
Sir, I'm not thinking that you're trying to be difficult. You had some questions. Some of them I can't answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I've asked Mr. Brown is to make sure that somebody gets down and talks to you, kind of explain this whole process.
Thank you, sir.
All right?
I was wondering if you could tell me what the status of his phone privileges are.
Alexander's all I know.
Status of his phone privileges?
His name when I got up and left. That's
I do
Alexander.
not
Okay.
see an order. Yes, I do. On case. Right. I don't have my date, on June 21st, 2024, his phone privileges were revoked pending a hearing.
Okay. I will reach back out to the jail and make sure that they're in receipt of that order. My understanding is that his calls were continuing to the victim through at least June 26th. So I'm concerned.
Well, let me put it this way. I signed the order from June 21st. I can see that it was stamped in June 24th. And I would suspect that the jail has done something only because then we're talking 2 days later.
Okay,
So.
thank you.
All right, bond will continue. Thank you.